Okay, boys and girls, I'm just going to do a quick review because we haven't done any of the Fundations Dictation yet, or we haven't done it in a while. Remember when I say we're going to do some dictation, that means you are going to listen to me and then write, okay? So we're going to start with sounds. I will tell you, and this is what it's going to look like in Seesaw. I will tell you 3 sounds, okay, one at a time, and you will write the sound that I'm telling you. Write the letter that makes that sound. Then we will go on to words. So I will tell you, I will say a word, tap it out for you. You're going to write the word I tell you. Then we will go on to trick words, which are your sight words. So I'll give you sight words, you write them, and then sentences. So I'm going to move quickly because I'm just showing you how I want you to do it. So for example, if I said the sound D, what letter says D? Tell me, what letter says D? D. Okay. What letter says N? N. And I want to see how well you can write, boys and girls. So in Seesaw, you're actually going to be writing them. What letter says Y? Y. So you would write a Y. Now also, it's important to know that I'm not going to give you these same sounds on your assignment today, okay? So don't just skip over my directions and think you know the answers. These are just examples. When you do the actual assignment, I'm going to give you different sounds, okay? Alrighty. Now let's move on to words. So I will say a word, we'll tap it out, and then you will write it, okay? Right now, just watch. Alrighty, the first word I'm going to give you is hut. Write the word hut. Hut. So you would write it. Good. Then I would say write the word sit. Sit. Then you write. Okay? So that's how we do the words. You're going to listen to me say a word, listen to me tap it out, you're going to write the word. Alrighty? Okay. Let's do some trick words. Ready? Oh, real quick before we move on to trick words. If I give you a word like, let's say, okay, chop. Write the word chop. Ch-op, chop. And there's a digraph in it. I want you to mark up the word after you write it, okay? Okay, now we'll move on to trick words. Trick words, remember, they can't be tapped out, so that's why we review them every single day. Hopefully you've been reviewing them so that way you know how to spell them when I give you the word. So let's start with, let's say the word the. So we can't tap it out, so I'm just expecting you to write it. Okay, if I said, what are some of our trick words? And, you would write the word and. Again, hopefully you've been reviewing them because we can't tap out trick words. If I say to write the word to, you would write the word to. Okay? Alrighty, let's move on to sentences. I'll move quick. So this one I need to review a lot. Remember, first thing to remember, every sentence you write needs to start with an uppercase letter, okay? Please don't forget that. Then every sentence you write at the end of it needs to have a punctuation mark, okay? So let me give you an example sentence. If I said, the cat had a bath. The cat had a bath. You are going to place your sentence frames where they need to go. The cat had a bath. Okay. The cat had, I have a little one over here somewhere, a bath. Punctuation mark. Okay. Now I'm going to read my frames. The cat had a bath. I'm going to circle where the trick words are going to be. The is a trick word, so I'm going to circle it. Cat, had. Is had a trick word? I think has is, but not had. No, okay. A bath. Okay, now I'm going to write my words in. So, the, trick word, I should know how to spell it. T-H-E, uppercase letter, because it's the beginning of a sentence. Cat, k-at, cat. K-at, had, h-ad, had. H-ad. A bath. B-a-th. Bath. B-a-th. Oh, I have a digraph. I'm going to underline it. There we go. Then I'm going to read my sentence. The cat had a bath. Okay, so get on into Seesaw. Hopefully this review was not too fast for you and you're able to do the dictations, okay? All right, I'll see you guys in reading. Adios.